to Guajira to do some off-road sand riding. Falling around on our ass. Arrived in Guajira. Patrick, what's all that stuff you got?
We're bringing lots of goodies. We're bringing breakfast, we're bringing oil, we're bringing lentils, we're bringing beans, salt, pasta, anything that we can find, trying to help people out.
Morning guys, we're here getting ready, setting up the bikes, getting all the tools, all the stuff ready. Apparently it's been raining with the hurricane all night, so we're gonna be in the mud all day today. Big adventurers under the roof, ready to go off-road riding, and they don't want to get dirty. Last chance to fuel before we hit the desert. Just been doing the last purchases of water and some snacks. Never know what's gonna happen in the desert. And it started raining a little bit, so that's gonna be muddy. Officially crossed the border into Venezuela, not on purpose. The ocean in Guajira. We made it to Puerto Lopez 3 days late. The most northern point in South America, Punta Guajira. Where we at?
We made it, Punta Gallinas, big sand dune, La Guajira.
The most northern point of the South American continent. And how many days we late?
We're about 3 days behind schedule.
Due to hurricane season, our trip was extended by a few days, but we made it to Punta Gallinas. And now finally we get to go in the ocean. The Caribbean Ocean looks very nice. Check out this beach. It's all ours. I'm out here in the Guajira Desert practicing for the Intercontinental Rally in January. This has been supposed to be a 5-day trip. We're now going on day 7 due to rainfall in the desert, which only happens once every year. Bad luck for us. It makes it more technical, more fun. As you can see, it's not super easy riding in the sand, but it's great practice. And this is very much similar to the African Sahara Desert. So you should come down here and do some rally practicing. That would be fun. So unfortunately, the tour ended with a bike broken in the back of the truck.